Hi everyone. So this is a Charles Jacob ZJ0158. I've been told it was a 58cc. A gentleman wanted one of my steel saws and so asked would I give him £35 for this against the steel, and I said yes. And this is going to go up on eBay. It's not one I will personally use, so I shall do a short demo of it starting, running, and maybe it'll help people decide if it's something they're interested in. It looks pretty clean. I've noticed before, but it's had a repair on the handle here. I mean, the fabrication looks okay and it looks robust. Chainsaw brake appears to work okay. Okay, you see how it starts. On, choke. Choke off. Seems to have reasonable compression. Idle seems slightly fast, but that can be turned down. Well, that's a tough piece of wood. Yeah. The chain brake seems a little sticky. I don't know why. I've only just come today. So we'll wait for a second. I'll try it with a warm start and see how it idles and starts again. I don't know anything about them, so I don't know if they need choke on a restart or not. We'll try it without choke to start with. So, kill switch. Okay. Compression. Okay. Well, like I say, idle sounds fast, but I think the saw would benefit from being sharpened. It doesn't appear too bad. And the chain brake at best seems sticky. Okay, perhaps it's just not being used. Hopefully that's helpful.